welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today is a sit down haul. I rarely do these, and when I do, I love it because it feels like I'm sitting down and chatting to you a bit more. I'm always rushing around cooking and vlogging and things like that. And it's nice just to sit down, chill for a bit, and do a little haul. Being a mum, personally, like since having Oren, it's so difficult to just like pop to the shops. You have to go around nap time. You don't want to bring your tired baby around the shops. You don't want to use their wake hours for just going around the shops and getting like household essentials. So I did a big shop in Cherryz and I want to show you. This cup is quite hot. I'm gonna have to put it down. So this video is actually very kindly sponsored by Cherryz as well, which is super. I'm a shopper of them anyway, and yeah, it's really nice to be sponsored by them. And I've done a big shop and I can't wait to show you everything. Also very kindly given me a code, well actually given you a code to use, and it's SOPHFREE25. It gets you 25% off of your shop on the app or the web. And if you've already used and shopped on Cherryz, you can also use SOPHFREE, and that gets you free shipping on your next order, which is fantastic. We like a bit of free shipping. So yeah, if you've never shopped at Cherryz, they're basically a household everything online store where you can order things at a really good discount price for your house, cleaning products, food, bathroom items, bedroom items, home items. So they've got a bit of everything. It's kind of like going to all like the affordable high street stores but doing it online. As I said, now I'm a mum, I find it so much easier to do it online. In fact, I can't remember the last time I had time to like dart around the really affordable shops and pick up all of this stuff. It's so easy just having it all there. So yeah, use that code if you want a really big discount. It's already like really affordable as it is, and we're all trying to save money here. I've actually got 3 boxes of stuff, so I don't know what's in each box. I'm just going with box number 1 and I will pull out everything. Oh, Lauren's gonna be so excited. 2, 3, 4 bags of sweet and salted popcorn. Sweet and salted, it's got to be, it's a bit of both. And it's cinema style popcorn. Every Monday, Lawrence and I have a movie night where we watch something we've never seen before. We take it in turns to pick. It's my turn to pick this week. It's actually Monday today when I'm filming this, so we were having our movie night tonight, so these have come just in time. It's my turn to pick tonight, so any really good film choices, actually leave them down below. We always get a bag of sweet and salted popcorn and some chocolate snacks for our movie night, so obviously I had to get these. We're not going to eat all 4 bags tonight, although if I let Lawrence, he probably could. He is a popcorn addict. I got some tikka paste if you make curries, so tikka masala spice paste. If you make curries, it's really easy to make the sauce. I don't tend to buy the jarred sauces, but I do buy like the pastes because you can make your own sauce. It's actually so easy, and just add a bit of paste in. So this will last a little while. For the cupboard, we're gonna have curry night this week, no doubt, probably Friday night, and I'll make a nice curry. Big arrangement of chocolate. So I got a 5-pack of buttons. I've noticed they've made the packaging much smaller, and it's probably like to reduce plastic, which is good. So Cadbury buttons, these are Oren's. Oren has buttons every now and then, and just a little treat. So I've got him 2 packs, they'll last a while actually. I got myself Galaxy Crisp. I love like biscuity chocolate. I'm probably gonna whack this out tonight in movie night. Some Dime bars, because I used to be obsessed with Dime bars. I haven't had them since before pregnancy because I couldn't deal with them in pregnancy, but I fancy them again, so I bought some of those. They are so good. Lots of Twirls. Twirls are very popular in this house. We love a twirl. And what I like about these ones is they come in the single bar, so you can just eat a single bar with a cup of tea. It's just a nice amount of chocolate. So 3 packs of the Twirls, some dark chocolate buttons. Dark chocolate's my favourite type of chocolate. Some people just don't like dark chocolate. And I got Lawrence some Tang Fastics. Got some Knorr vegetable stocks. These were actually really good price. Cat treats. Got to get cat treats. I can't ever go shopping without getting something for the cats. A plain bin for the bathroom because I did have a wicker one in there and it's wickered away basically. What's in here? I like that they're wrapping stuff in paper now. This makes me happy. Oh yes, I'm actually excited. Garlic paste. Do you know what? For someone who's always cooking and creating recipes, I've never used garlic paste. I know garlic paste is different from powdered garlic. Powdered garlic tends to be quite bitter flavoured, and I think garlic paste is more like a smoother garlic flavour. And you know what? I really taste the difference between bitter and smooth garlic. So I'm excited to give this a go in, just put like a little bit in some sauces that I'm making. Let me know what you add garlic paste to. I've got the pink stuff Oxy powder stain remover. Is this new? I don't know if it's new, but I've never used it before and I don't think I've ever seen it before. Now I'm really struggling to get like the kind of stains out of Orin's clothes. Finding like when we're, you know, out and about and he's getting muddy because he's crawling around, I'll put it in the wash, but they'll still be like discoloured. So I'm really hoping this will actually work. If you have any tips, I would love to know. But I'm really excited to use this, and you don't add it to every wash, but it's good, you know, for bed sheets as well if they get a bit discoloured. Tuna chunks in spring water. They're actually very well priced on Cherryz. 4 tins of those, they last a very long time because I only make it like once every 2 weeks and Orin loves a tuna sandwich. I have 2 caramel packs of Freddos. Caramel Cadbury chocolate is my favourite. Cadbury's caramel and Cadbury's whole nut is my favourite. I often am the only one like out of my family who loves like the caramel ones, so I tend to get that like in the selection boxes, which is amazing. But I really like Freddos, and I haven't had the caramel Freddos for a very long time, so thought I would treat myself to those. Dark chocolate blue ribbons, great with a cup of tea in the morning. I think I'm a bit of a chocolate addict, judging by what I'm picking out. To be fair, this box is quite chocolate heavy. There is like not so much chocolate. I got a pack of 3 toothbrushes. Lawrence uses manual toothbrushes. He changes them every few months, so there. I am going to treat him to an electric toothbrush for Christmas, I think. He'll never watch this, but Haribo Star Mix, again for Lawrence. Bourneville fingers, so dark chocolate fingers. These are so good. I got 2 packs of Brunch bars, Cadbury's Brunch bars, so Brunch Bar Raisin and Brunch Bar Chocolate Chip. Brunch bars are really delicious. If you've never had them, it's just like a nut and oat bar with Cadbury's chocolate on it. I bought these because they were on like quite a good offer on Cherryz, which is great. 2-in-1 men Head and Shoulders. Now, yes, I do have a husband who uses 2-in-1. To me, it's just, I would never do it. I could never use 2-in-1 stuff, but he uses it, and you know what, whatever, I'm not gonna, he can do what he wants with his hair. 2 Ariels. Now, I tell you why I got these. Normally the Back to Basics powder that can really clean your clothes. So I thought I would give these a go on lots of the stained clothes and see what goes on. Just don't like the discolouring that I've been finding in the clothes. They just don't seem to be, I'm putting them on a hot wash. I don't know where I'm going wrong at the moment. Maybe it's the clothes that I've been getting. We have some neon plasters. Why get the boring plasters when you can get the neon plasters? A couple of Colgate Max White. I love Colgate Max White toothpaste. Actually, my favourite is the only one I go for now. Or the Oral Care Max White or super white one. It's really nice, but I've been loving this toothpaste. Picked up, this was on special, and this is for £1 eco refill from Carex, 500 mils. That is absolutely brilliant. I thought I'd get the refillable one because I've got already the pumps. This was only £1, which I thought was really good. So it's the equivalent of 2 bottles. It's special at the moment on Cherryz. So if you do want to do a Cherryz shop, go now because it might still be there. Cadbury caramel nibbles. So they are chocolate buttons with caramel in the middle. 2 jumbo packs of dishwasher tablets. I'm not a washing out the sink type person, but this is a value 100 pack. I love the brand Astonish because it's vegan, cruelty free, and the stuff is always really affordable and very good, actually, really good. So this is just their lemon fresh dishwasher tablets. We've been using these. I actually always buy them on Cherryz because they're always a great price on Cherryz. So I thought I would stock up this time and just buy 2 massive bags. So that will last a good while. Maryland cookies. These are chocolate chip, just average ones. I really fancied them. Can you tell I made this order when I was a bit hungry? Really fancied them, so I got them. A little box of Maltesers. These were only £1. I'm going to give them to Orin's play group. I take him to like a baby sensory class every week, and it's his last time now. So I'm gonna drop these into the lady that runs them because she's great. And she loves Maltesers. So some Branston beans. Now, if you've seen any of my taste tests, you know I'm an advocate for like trying all different beans. I love the Aldi beans. The Aldi beans and Tesco owned beans are the best. They are so good. But if I'm gonna go branded, I always get Branston now because Branston beans are so nice. I really recommend them. If you are like always a Heinz person, I used to be, and now I can't remember the last time I had Heinz beans. There's so many better beans out there. I've also got 2 bleachers. These were 50p each. What's this? What's this? Pasta sauce. They are really nice. Just added pasta with some peas, some tomatoes, bit of cheese on top. That is the easiest, most cheapest dinner, and it's so delicious. And I always add like loads of Italian herbs. Ah, yes, I ordered whole earth peanut butter. I have been buying the eco peanut butter or whole peanut butter from Aldi. I use that for Oren's porridge. But this, I've seen Madeline Olivia eat this peanut butter, which is why I bought it, because I thought, do you know what? If she's eating it, she's probably checked out the ethics, and that's why she's eating it. So that's why I got it. And I miss like kind of sweeter peanut butter. The one that I give to Oren isn't very sweet at all. Now, this is very interesting. I found this coconut shampoo bar, 100% plastic free for all hair types. And I thought, why not try this? I've been trying shampoo bars recently. I mean, my hair's scraped back today, but my hair is like, if I let it down, it would be like this big, hugely curly, quite frizzy in the heat, but it's really tight, thick curls. So I normally have to be really careful with what I use with it, otherwise my hair's just gonna go mental. But I find shampoo bars don't mess around with my hair too much, and they still make my hair clean, which is great. So I thought I'd try this because it's like more affordable, it's vegan, but I'll probably go on Instagram and let you know about that. Bought a few bits for my niece because it's coming up to her birthday, so I wanted to get her like a little hamper. She's gonna be 7, as if, like, I fully remember when she was born and now she's 7. It's so mental how that happens. It makes me think like, it goes so quickly, and I've got my own son now, and you just blink and it's happening. It actually scares me, it makes me quite emotional, so we're not going to talk too much about it. But I got her a few bits for her 7th birthday and make her a little hamper. So I've got her this notepad, it's got rainbows on it and polka dots, and it comes with a pen. Fantastic. I got her this. They had this and a dinosaur version. She's into unicorns, but it's a unicorn egg soap, and then once you've used all the soap, out comes a toy. So I thought that was great, and growing up I always loved things like that, and I know she's going to absolutely love it, and it encourages them to wash their hands more. Eventually your egg will wash away and a unicorn will be born. She's going to love that. I got her some hair bubbles, or hair bands I call them, but these are like iridescent or like cool colours. So she's going to flipping love those. Got myself some hair grips, some brown hair grips. I lose them constantly. Colour your own canvas bag, and then you can keep stuff in it, and that's also going to be for my niece, so she can colour that in, put a little whatever she wants in it, and yeah, she'll love it, to be fair. 2 dishwasher cleaners. So yeah, these actually work really, really well and make your dishwasher very, very clean. Some lavender Epsom salts, bath salts, I actually find do make me feel very relaxed. I often get questions how to use these. So essentially you just put like a handful in your hot water when it's running in the bath and just bath in it. It doesn't do anything, it doesn't foam, it doesn't change colour, but you'll get like a nice lavender smell if you get the flavor, like lavender flavour. I'm sure it's calming, and magnesium, it's made out of magnesium, and magnesium is like a very calming mineral. I actually take 2 magnesium tablets every single day in the morning, and I sleep. My sleep is more like restorative, and it's just better quality sleep. Obviously I have to wake up with Oren and breastfeed throughout the night, so I'm always going to have broken sleep, but the actual sleep I'm getting is better. So I've got some bath stuff. We gave Oren his first Matey Bath a few weeks ago, and it was actually very cute. So I got a sailor and the mermaid. They didn't have the pirate one though. I always grew up remembering the pirate one, but I got him 2 Mateys. I might save one for his stocking at Christmas. Bubble bath in a stocking at Christmas is the way forward. I love getting bath stuff in my stocking. More chocolate, because I obviously did not get enough chocolate in this haul, did I? For my niece, in her little birthday care package thing, I got L'Oreal Kids Berry Strawberry Shampoo. So I bet it smells sickly sweet. Yep, smells like bubblegum, gross, but she will love it. It's the no tears, no knots one. I remember growing up, there was like a no tears phase, like shampoo, so we all used it and like let the bubbles go in our eyes, and then it was burning. It didn't feel nice, so it definitely wasn't a no tears thing. But anyway, that can go in her care package. Got some high strength evening primrose oil. This is apparently really good to take every day, and I'm gonna start taking it and see if there's a difference. I'm a little bit obsessed with taking vitamins and minerals at the moment. And Astonish kitchen cleaner, ruby grapefruit. Again, Astonish is very, very affordably priced, but I like it because it's ethical, no animal testing, and it's all vegan, and they use quite a lot of natural products in it. So I need to put this crazy amount of stuff away now. I can hear the next door's dog barking, which means Lawrence is probably pulling up to our drive now. It's actually great having a dog next door, because when that dog barks, I know that someone's about to approach the door. I might be due a delivery, or the takeaway man's just arrived. It's actually fantastic. So I can hear Ted next door barking, so I'm gonna wrap up this video now. Again, if you want to use my code, it's SOPHFREE25, gets you 25% off everything, which is a very, very good discount. So use it before it ends. And yeah, I hope you're all doing really, really well, and I'll see you again soon for a new video. Bye.